Merry Christmas, everyone. I got sick, of course. That's why I haven't did any videos. Got on a cough drop now. It is foggy today. With freezing drizzle. Oh, there's a kitty car. You can see the trees are all white. And it's 29 degrees, 72 in here. So, I wanted to tell you guys thank you for, well, being a nice year. 2019 was kind of a so-so year for us, for our farmers. We had quite a rough year. Everybody did, not just us. You know, it rained so much, so we couldn't really get our crops in. But hopefully 2020 will be a good year. And I think I'll make a video before the New Year's, but I hope, if not, hope everybody has a good, happy New Year and is safe and traveling safe, because this time of year people are drunk and driving, and it's not good.
Wasn't that cool for Christmas? Look at that freezing rain, fog. Look at that stuff. Alright. Turn my heated seat on. Like I said, you don't need to change no oil. So look at this. This is Christmas and it's foggy and it's slippery. Watch, I'll step on the brakes. Whoop, it's just slippery. Anti-lock brakes work on my truck, but it's 26 degrees Fahrenheit and it's misting and foggy and no wind, and you can see the trees. Look at that. Frost coming off the trees on the road there. It's pretty cool though. Everything's all white. Look at that. There's Katie's car, and there's my truck. Everything's all white.
Hey everyone. So I did not put these videos up on Christmas Day because I still don't feel good, and I don't feel good now to edit the video, but I'm gonna try to edit the video and get the video up tonight. It is Thursday, December 26th, I think it is. I don't know, I can't remember. But today, my friend helped me with my skid steer. I don't know if I said in the last video, but the hose was leaking on there. And starting Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we're gonna get a lot of snow. So here's the hose here that I got replaced on there. I don't know if I can show you there. See, it goes on that heat up here, and it goes there. Well, the other hose is deteriorating and was leaking out of here. I had to cut it off to get to it, and I couldn't get this part off out of here. I've tried everything. So what I did is, I don't have the right tools, I have junk here. Took this thing off here, that thing off here, that thing off here, and took this connector off here, and just took this one hose off and took it down to the shop. I told them guys, I said, I want to break this metal line here, because these metal lines are very, you know, brittle. And I says, can you get that off and make me a same size hose as that so I can put on there? And they said, yep. And it only took them 2 minutes. So if I would have screwed around any more longer, I would have probably broke that line off. So then I'd have to make a direct line from down here
to here, which wouldn't be a big deal if it wasn't so expensive, but it was $33 for this little line here. But I'd rather spend that than hire it done, because it's like a couple $100 a time to do the front yard and the back, which is a lot of money. Now these don't look too good either here, see, but it's just a rubber coating on the outside. It's not leaking yet. Now if it was leaking, I would do it, but since it's not leaking, don't mess with it. I replaced them two up there. They're a little long, but it is what it is. I don't know how far that thing raises up, so whatever. Well, they made them that long, I guess. So this one was replaced before I got it, looks like, and it looks like it's wet, but it was from the previous where I got this other one off. So that's to lift the cylinder up and down, you know, the twist bucket. So got that in there, done. And now the alternator is going out on my Avalanche. I've been driving that lately, and I need that. What I positive it's alternator, because the lights inside, the dome lights and the headlights all flicker really bad. They're flickering, and the alternator is going and it sounds bad. I don't know if it's the stator rubbing or if it's the bearings or what, but it does not sound good. It could be the power steering pump too. So what I'm going to have to do is take it off the belt and get a new belt put on there anyway, and probably needs a new alternator, because I think it's original since it was brand new in 2002. It doesn't even look like it's ever been replaced, but who knows. It's got 218,000 miles. It could be a bad ground, but I'm gonna have to look into that. And as far as my gay car, or whatever you want to call this thing, this Honda, it shifts funny sometimes, but then it works good. But you know, like I said, we got that 2008 Honda sedan Accord with a 4-cylinder, and it's not going to win a beauty contest, but hey, for $1,700 it's a deal, you know what I mean? But this one would have a lot more power than that one. And I'm going to get rid of this car? Probably not. Probably just complain about it all my life. But I got that thing fixed. You see it is a little wet there. It's not the axle seals leaking, it's the plugs. See them plugs right there? I'm gonna have to try to fix them, I think. And this axle seal isn't leaking, it's just that yeah, there it is. Them leaking right there. Oh man, I sound terrible, don't I? So that's an update there. Let me get into more stuff why I haven't been making any new videos. So the other reason why I haven't been making videos is because YouTube is just boring to me. You can't do any videoing anymore, and starting January 1st, 2020, I don't know how this YouTube is going to be, but every time they do something or change something, nobody can make any money. Creators can't make it. For me, it's supporting me. But right now, I might have to find a job because YouTube sucks. And that's what I've been doing. I've been actually working on other stuff. You can see I haven't took care of myself. I haven't shaved my for a while. I'm actually gonna grow as long as I can. Try something different. Hi, Snickers. So, and then I've been busy. Me and Katie have been testing out our new truck. I deleted that off of there because, yeah, I'll tell you later. Oh, she'll tell you. But, well, I did a video of the truck, but did I? Yeah, I think I did. I think I can post it up now because her mom knows. If you're watching this, I'm sorry. So, yeah, she likes her truck. Her truck's been treating her well. And my Avalanche just needs TLC. I was also thinking of putting seafoam in the oil for the lifters. What do you guys think about that? Is that a good idea? I don't know. I got to change oil anyway. So should I run an ounce through there? Or what are you supposed to run through there? I don't like messing with that stuff because I'm afraid it'll wreck it. I don't know. I'm just paranoid of that stuff. Seafoam is supposed to be the most best thing ever. My uncle's a diesel mechanic and auto mechanic, and he says that's the best thing to run ever, and I don't know. I'm just leery of that stuff, but he says to run that through there and the lifters will be quiet again. So, and I know they got little pinholes in there and they get sludge in there based on how bad, if you don't change oil. But I change oil every 3,000 miles on that thing because it's an older vehicle. Being my Honda Accord, I change every 5,000 miles. Now, I do look at all of your comments, guys. I just don't answer y'all because I am just extremely tired when I come home and I want to spend time with my friends, and I do read them. And once in a while, I will acknowledge you and answer your comments. And then there's been people requesting to start semis. We're not going to even mess with that right there. The batteries are all dead in there, and we don't really have time to mess with it. This has been kind of a crappy year for us, especially with stuff going on behind the scenes. I don't want to talk about it because we're all good now. But the people, some of the YouTubers that I'm friends with and talk to, you understand. You know what I'm going through right now. I'm going through a tough time right now. Farming, family. That's the reason why I haven't been making any videos. And it's just been very stressful, depressing, and it's just not good. A little bit lack of videos, but you know, we'll get videos out. We'll get it some time and get some videos. I do got some new videos planned. I just don't know when to do it. I was gonna do it, but then I got sick, of course, and I got a fever right now, and I'm coughing. My lungs hurt. I sound like a smoker. So it is what it is. And shout out to Derek Gaber that helped me with the skid steer today. I wouldn't have got that by myself. He's my best friend. I don't even know if he makes any YouTube videos anymore. You can't even, like I said, you can't even make it on YouTube anymore. So I don't even know how the heck I even made it. Is it gonna last? Probably not. But I'm just doing this for fun too. You know. But hope everybody have a happy new year. And please don't be upset if I don't post out a video for a couple weeks to a week. I'm just going through a tough time. And I'll get done as much videoing as I can as soon as I can. Doing donuts out in the field in Katie's pickup. You say not to go too far, didn't you? I don't know. You're gonna get stuck now.
Why?
Something smells hot. Well, that's pretty deep there. Can't see, but pew, something smells like it's burning. Smell that?
Oh, yeah.
I smell some hay burning on your exhaust. Smell that?
Get out and check.
I'm not getting on the snow.
Of course you are.
Hard to see at night. The film, anyway.
Thank you. You have to talk to it.
Yeah, you have to go the other way.
There's water.
That's the slough right there.
I think the brakes work. It's two-wheel drive, reverse. Two-wheel drive, reverse up the hill. In snow. In snow. Deep snow. Uh-oh.
What?
That didn't sound good.
What? Almost did. Get the 4 high on?
Yep.
It's not working at all. Sure you got 4 high on?
Yep.
It's not working at all. We'll have to put it back in neutral and then, because it's not locked in, must be not. You have to lock it back in here. You have to take it off and then put it neutral and drive and try to put it in 4 high again. There it went. Wasn't locked in.
That's too high. I think we should go back.
I think so.